As Tết approaches, many Vietnamese families have been preparing for the most important holiday of the year. In the past, Tết meant long hours in the kitchen, with mothers and grandmothers catering to traditional meals for year-end parties. Today, as daily life gets busy, Vietnamese women are choosing to pre-order Tết food trays, a more convenient alternative that helps ease the pressure of cooking during the festive period.
A few taps on a smartphone now replace long hours in the kitchen. From Bánh Chưng, the traditional sticky rice cake, to fried spring rolls and bamboo shoot soup, classic Tết dishes can all be ordered in advance. Phạm Tố Quyên, who lives in Hanoi, has been using pre-ordered Tết food services for several years.
There aren't many of us at home, but cooking still takes a lot of time. And at Tết, time is the one thing I really don't want to waste. Instead of standing in the kitchen for hours, I order the food in advance. That way, I can actually sit down with my kids and make up for all the time I don't get to spend with them during the year.
Pre-ordered Tết trays offer clear advantages, but choosing the right provider is key. Families need to avoid risks such as poor food quality, unclear pricing, or a lack of care in preparing ritual offerings.
You do need to plan ahead what you're ordering and where from. I only go to a few places I trust, which have been cooking for my family for years. The menus change every year too, which is great. I usually order one full tray from the same place, just to save on delivery time and costs. When you planned it properly, everything comes together very quickly.
The rise of pre-ordered Tết trays highlights how many Vietnamese families are adapting to busier lives. Ordering food in advance does not lessen the meaning of the ritual, as long as the offering is prepared with care and genuine respect.
It's not really about how you prepare the food. What matters to me is that the offering to our ancestors is complete, respectful, and made with genuine care.